In today's world, we need to understand the importance of offering efficient solutions to many industries that want to minimize the downtime of everyday equipment. Jaltest Diagnostics is an all-makes diagnostic solution that's always in evolution, working for the technician and with the technician to give them the resources they need to be able to carry out the diagnostics and repair of an issue, and to do it in the fastest time possible.
So we at Cojali develop highly technological diagnostic and remote diagnostic solutions that have to do with the connectivity of the vehicles. We're talking about the automotive industry, and we supply highly automated technology, meaning we're able to deliver data and repair solutions for the industry to reduce the downtime of the vehicles. This is key to the market because the main time the vehicle spends in the workshop is stopped. Nobody's working at the vehicle, so we want to reduce the downtime of the vehicle.
We're talking about heavy-duty trucking industry, we're talking about agricultural vehicles, construction equipment.
In Cojali, we offer a full range of service on the cutting edge of technology for automotive industry. We offer solutions for diagnostics and connectivity.
We're covering every single vehicle that's on the road, and we're capable of working all of them in the same platform.
When we talk about diagnosis, it means about a 360 solution. That means close the circle. We offer reading fault codes, technical data, and really action instructions for the technicians based on troubleshooting guides. So we offer all the information that they need to repair the vehicle and keep the vehicle on the road.
Jaltest allows users to centralize the repair process, offering a one-stop solution. Until now, each user needed multiple diagnostics devices to fix each vehicle. That requires different user interfaces, connectors, digital platforms, renewals, etc. By using this technology to get a diagnostic, they make the technician an expert in the process by integrating all the tools in one, with only one UI, making them experts at navigating it and therefore compounding their knowledge in the process.
Our software is an all-make diagnostic solution. So we are focused on all different systems with electronic control units, with electronic control inside on the vehicle. So today, automotive industry is really electronics, and we need to have a complete solution to repair bad vehicles. We connect drivers, vehicle, and decision maker to look for the best solution for the fleets and for the automotive industry.
So when we talk about our product, an aftermarket diagnostic solution, and how that impacts the market, that's where we come in. We're empowering them to be able to fix their vehicles and not wait for somebody else to come on their own clock.
We have to go back also to the previous solutions that they had, which were they were interfacing with many different software solutions. So basically the technician had to look at different graphical user interfaces. With our solution, we simplify the technology. They have the same graphical user interface for all vehicle makes. So they have easily access to all data and solutions.
Jaltest Diagnostics is developed with the customer at the core, being the customer's feedbacks what defines the product's development pipeline.
And we listen customers. So when listen customers, we try to offer them all the necessary data that they require. So this is the key of the success of Cojali, to listen customers and to provide all the necessary information that they need.
There are two values that we speak constantly. One of them is convince and not impose. And this is a value for people, external and internal people in Cojali. And there are another very, very important, is to see the thing that doesn't exist yet and try to do it possible.
The ultimate goal of this kind of diagnostic is to improve and evolve with industry demands for efficient equipment repairs. They have become an innovator in the liberation of the independent shop's ability to repair. With Right to Repair, Jaltest gave the tools for the non-dealer shops to survive and thrive.
We're confident that with the highly automated and technological processes that we have today, with the remote diagnostics, with the all-makes diagnostic solutions, with the big data measurements that we're able to obtain from the vehicles, will help the vehicle industry to shape and to create predictive maintenance patterns that will help to reduce the downtime of the vehicles in the market.
The Cojali vision go in the direction with a new X scenario. We have to reduce the greenhouse gases. We have to think in mobility and we have to think in autonomous driving. This combination with the activity that we are developing, electronic components and big data, I am sure that will give us the success that we are looking for.